Lecture number 33, that is, now we start with the reactions of ether. We have got only two reactions of ether. The very first reaction, I can say it is with HX halo acids. Now, when I consider the reactions of halo acid, which halo acid is very reactive, it is HI is more reactive than HBr than HCl. That is the reactivity of the halo acids. The very first reaction we start with the cold HI. Now यहाँ पे in case of ethers we have to see regarding the ethers का तीन reactions होगा, a simple ether, mixed ether का, branched ether का, three अलग reactions होगा. You need to remember only the first reaction which is simple to understand. Okay, now let us start. Simple ether reacting with cold HI. I repeat, simple ether reacting with cold HI. No option. Cold, one alcohol, one halide. Is that clear? One alcohol, one halide. No options. If it is a simple ether reacting with cold HI, एक होगा alcohol, दूसरा रहेगा halide. Now we go for the next, that is the mixed ether. When it is reacting with a mixed ether, at that time lower is the halide, higher is the alcohol. Remember, when the ether reacts with when the mixed ether reacts with cold HI, at that time lower alkyl group is the halide, higher is the alcohol. Now next, branched ether में the halide goes to the branch. Branched ether में the halide goes to the branch. The halide goes to the branch. So I get what is the product? The product is tert butyl iodide. That is the product. Now, if it is anisole reacting with HI, do I get a aryl halide? No. What do I get? I get phenol which is formed. Why phenol is formed? Because the bond to break here is difficult. Aryl halide बनने का, like the bond has to be broken there, right? So to break the bond over there is difficult. So what is the product? The product is phenol. Now, why do I get? Listen, the next question I am asking you. When it is a mixed ether, why do I get lower is the halide, higher is the alcohol? Why do I get it? It is concerned with the mechanism of the reaction. What is the mechanism of the reaction? See, listen, this is unsymmetrical ether, right? Ether is a Levy's base. First step क्या होगा? It will be protonated. It will accept a proton. Proton accept करके you will get this as an intermediate. Now the next part is very simple. Halide. मुझे अगर किसी को ठोसा मारने का है, ओके, एक पतला लड़का है, एक बहुत मोटा लड़का है, तो which will I prefer? मोटे को प्रीफर करेगी? No. Now which I'll prefer a boy who is thin. Same, the halide attacks the alkyl group which is thin. So it is CH3. What is it called as? It is called as steric hindrance. So the product is lower is the halide, higher is the alcohol. That is in case of mixed ether. Whereas in the case of branched ether, what happens? We have written the mechanism later on. In case of branched ether ना, it is the cation which is formed. उसका mechanism में cation form होता है. And as you know, which carbocation is more stable? It is the tertiary carbocation is more stable. As the tertiary carbocation is more stable, hence the product is tert alkyl halide. That is all regarding the very first reaction of ether.